Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your profile on premise, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that you have to click on your account, and after that complete your profile to unlock tasks. So you have to click on the next create profile. What is your gender? What is your current employment status? All right, next. What is your highest level of education? Which country or territory are you originally from? What is your religion? What is your ethnicity or ancestry? Below are some common responses in your area. What is your marital status? Which of the following best describe your financial situation? Alright, prefer not to answer. Please describe your living situation. Which of the following best describe the area where you live? Including yourself, how many people live in your household? What is your primary language? Which of the following languages do you speak? And submit. You have earned money. Your profile is complete and now you can access more tasks. Alright, so this is how you can create your profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.